Nellie, it's hot.
Oh, I know it.
With these hot pavements, automobiles are tooting in your ears. Women are fainting on the right of you and the left of you. I tell you that a walking the beat in New York isn't what it used to be.
I know it isn't, Dad.
Hello, Mama.
Hello, Papa, dear.
Oui, it was hot in the shop today.
Maybe you think it's cool here.
Well, I'm glad I'm home anyway.
Well, make yourself comfortable.
Sure.
I'll see that you're kept nice and quiet, dear. And now I'll go in and cook your dinner for your lunch. Have a good soup. Oh, driven is tight.
Yeah, outside it is all ice. Ice, man! Ice, man! Hey, none of you guys up there want some ice? Hey, ice! Ice! Ice, man!
Doctor, are you real sure there ain't nothing more you can do for him?
Not a thing, lady. Unless we have a change in the weather. But you must use a lot of ice. Then, with luck, you have a chance. Otherwise, there's no hope. But you mustn't let anyone go near him except yourself. He's used to you. Good afternoon.
Gee, this heat's sure tough. I wish there was something I could do for you. If I'd made more money last winter, I could take you out of this place. Papa, don't you look upstairs. That blonde huzzy's on the fire escape again. Hey there. Hey there.
Yeah, lady.
Say, I'll have to have another piece of ice.
Oh, you want the same piece, same size, what you had before?
Yeah, the 25-cent piece.
Okay, lady, I'll bring it right up to you.
Oh, you? Mrs. Ginsburg? Did Lena have a chance to leave the baby before the heat spell hit it? Yeah? That's just it, Mrs. Schnitzmeyer. Do you think that my Lena would listen to me, her mother? No. She must have one of those newfangled dog pills. Mrs. Schnitzmeyer, did I bring my children up from a book? Did you bring your children up from a book? No. I tell you, Mrs. Schnitzmeyer, the old-fashioned way is the best.
What do you want this ice this time?
On the floor.
On the floor, huh? There she is. Say, you know, I don't want to be snoopy or nothing like that, see? But, you know, I've been up and down those stairs about 7 times now with ice for this place. What is this joint, anyhow? You're not a bootlegger or anything, are you?
Say, is it any of your business what I do with this ice so long as you get paid for it?
Now, don't get sore, Blondie. Don't get sore. I was just wondering, that was all.
Yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Would you really like to know what I do?
Sure, I'd like to know. Why not?
Well, I use it to keep a lot of fresh eggs like you from hatching a bum wife.
Oh, is that so?
Yes, that's so.
I see. James cuckoo or something. I should worry. Of all the girls I ever knew, there is none so sweet as Sally. She is the darling of my heart, and she lives down in our didn't know you could sing like that.
Oh, that's nothing. I sing and dance and dive in my act.
You don't say. Gee, that's great.
How much is it?
Oh, 2 bits, same as the last time. Thanks, Blondie. See you again.
Say, you'd better bring me up another piece.
More ice up here?
Yes, more rice up here, quick.
Maybe there's something phony about this.
Well,
There's
you
something
just run
phony.
along. Just
No woman in her
run
right
along.
mind would ever order
Run
all this
along.
ice and run
Nobody
up off
wants
it like
to
that.
see your
There's
silly
something
face.
Mr. Schnitzmeyer, did you saw the paper today? Mellon's going to cut the income tax. That's good, huh?
That's just it. Always you make it something else. Now they cut it the income tax. Such an explanation. Now, it says it in the Constitution from the United States. It says it that when in Washington, what they make, huh? In Washington, always gives it appropriations. Yeah. Appropriations, they should come on investigations for the people, and then what they get. All this, I said it. And you see. Now, what happened in 1862, huh? What happened in 1898? And what happened in 1924? I asked you, huh? What?
Well, I'll be the goat. What was it that happened?
What? You don't know?
No, I don't know.
Oh, such ignorance. And you should be an officer from the law and not know the big crises from your own country. It's unbelievable. Oh, sharp scoff.
If you don't stop those bum political speeches, there's going to be a crisis right here.
Der Schweinigel.
Der Irische, der ist ein gemeiner Schweinehund.
Jawohl.
Mama,
No?
Schnitzmeyer is a smart man.
Yes. Well, what did he say?
I don't know. That's why he's a smart man.
Oi, Marie, quando sono che perde te, mamma dormi, abbracciato le poco cute, oi, Marie, quando sono che perde te.
Keep those animals off that fire escape, I'd come up there and knock your black off. Good old summertime, in the good old summertime, you're strolling down that shady lane with your sweetheart mine. Okay, Blondie, I'll be right up. She takes your hand and you take hers, and that's a very good sign. She'll be your tootsie woodsy in that good old summertime.
Mrs. Kennedy, I tell you there is something going on in this house. That blonde lady upstairs. All day long, the Iceman goes up and down. And such funny noises you hear from them. I tell you, dear Mrs. Kennedy, there is something happening in this house.
You know, I was thinking that thing myself, Mrs. Ginsburg.
Mrs. Kennedy, what can this woman do with so much ice? Tell me.
Mama,
No?
maybe she's making ice cream for our party.
Huh? Can such noises happen from an ice cream party?
Or maybe she's a Broadway baby that's got to take a bath in ice water.
What? What do you know about Broadway babies, huh?
Nothing.
You better know nothing.
I wish I know something about Broadway babies.
What's this?
Lots of monkey business going around here.
Do you know that with my own 2 eyes, I saw that iceman pass through this alley and go up them stairs 17 or 18 times today? What do you think of that, then? 17 or 18 times today. Now, what does she want with that much ice in a day, I ask you?
Say, listen. She's so hot, she might need the ice to keep cool.
Oh, such talk for the size of you. Say, you keep out of this.
Okay, big boy.
Something isn't what should not be. No. This is the respectable neighborhood, and I think the authorities should make
That's you, Iceman?
Yeah, that's one of the same, lady.
Come in.
What do you want me to take it for you this time? Back in the room?
Put it on the floor, dumbbell.
There you are, lady.
Anytime I want you to take it inside, I'll ask you, see?
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm not a bit fussy about that either.
Oh, Mrs. Ginsburg, would you mind coaxing your husband to climb up that ladder and take a peek in there and kind of let us know what's going on up there?
Papa, Mrs. Kennedy says you should go upstairs and take a look.
I should take a look.
Sure.
I'm not a detective.
Go on, Papa, go.
Is it all right, Mother?
Sure, we got to protect the baby.
I'll go.
Go on. See, Papa, you see.
What's the matter, lady?
Oh, gee, for a minute I thought he was dead.
Dead?
But he isn't.
Well, who did you think was dead, lady?
Oh, you wouldn't understand.
Somebody's dead.
Oh, his face! Mrs. Kennedy! Somebody's been murdered! Oh, murdered! Oh, Mrs. Schlechtmeyer! They've all been murdered! Murdered! Go on, darling, get your father and ask folks for the murderer! Gee, I'm tired. Would you sit down and talk to me for a minute?
Why, sure, I'd be glad to. Gee, Blondie, what'll I say?
Well, if you don't know what to say, sing.
All right. Here's a new one. They called her frivolous Sal, a peculiar sort of a gal, with a heart that was mellow, an all-round good fellow, was mine.
Who's there?
It's the law. Yeah, just what kind of shenanigans are going on here about? So, you is it, huh? Who's you?
Sure. But I saw shenanigans too. And when I came up the fire escape, that bummer threw water on my head.
And no telling what I would have seen if I didn't have to go down again.
Yeah, sure.
Stop it!
You get back here. You let the law take care of this case. Now, young lady, just what is in that room?
Oh, please. Nothing's in there that would interest you or any of these people.
Oh, no, huh?
No.
Why don't I just saunter back and see what's in there?
No. Don't. Please go in.
What, you going to interfere with the law?
don't.
Get out there. Get out there.
Say, lady, what in the world do you do with a thing like that?
Well, look, he's part of my act. We dived together in a big tank down at the Hippodrome. Ain't you ever seen it?
Sure. I remember you now.
And you see, last winter, he was sick, and we didn't make much money. So I had to keep him up here. And I was afraid if the landlord found out, he'd kick us both out. See?
Lady, I'll be begging your pardon on behalf of myself and all those foreigners out there in the alley. We've made a very grave mistake.
Oh, that's all right, officer.
Well, good night.
Good night.
Gee, it's fine out here, ain't it?
Ain't it swell? Let's sing some more, huh?
All right.
They called half river sun, a peculiar sort of a girl, with a heart that was mellow and all
Now listen, you foreigners.
mellow was
If there's any more snooping going around this alley, the law will take care of it. From now on, there's going to be a lot of peace and quiet around this neighborhood. You all understand that? You all understand? There's to be no more monkey business.
But